and you click your button, it will open up your YouTube or wherever it is that you want to go. What is up, you guys? Today I'm going to be showing you a video on how to open up a URL by clicking on a button in your game. This is great for Kickstarters, bringing attention to like your website or anything that you could possibly think of in between. So for example, if I click YouTube, it will actually open up the URL to my YouTube channel. So let me show you how to do that. Alright, so the very first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to open up your menu or wherever the location is going to be for this. And just simply open up that widget, and what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to bring in a button onto your canvas. Now, of course, this is going to be laid out in whatever way best kind of like fits your game. In this case, I'm just going to mess around with this a little bit and try and find the best spot to make this look good. Maybe we'll go negative 500. No, negative. Something like that. And so once you have your button in place, what we're also going to want to do is we're going to want to bring in an image on top of our button. And this image is going to be whatever you want it to be. I have not imported that asset. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come up into my images, and I'm going to import my YouTube photo. And then once that's done, whatever this is, if it's going to be like a Discord, a YouTube, whatever, of course it's going to be different. As you can tell, it's going to be kind of small, so now what we have to do is we have to make this bigger. And of course, basically remove your paddings for your image, because you want your image to cover the entire button. And so as you can see, there's going to be a little outline here. That's good because we want that to show up when we actually like select our thing. Now if you go to your button, for your press sound, this is when you can do a sound if you want. I simply am doing that because that is just something I enjoy to do. And once you have that in place, come down to the on-clicked feature. You're going to open that up. From here, you're going to drag out, and you're going to do URL launch. And paste in the URL that you want to open, your Kickstarter, your YouTube, whatever that may be. And then once that is ultimately done, you can just compile, and you click your button, it will open up your YouTube or wherever it is that you want to go.